Ivanti Neurons for Facilities is your solution to enable your organisation to manage work orders across your business, from simple requests for repairs, full procurement lifecycle requests to office moves. Track all work to completion and report across locations, teams and individuals. Provide a comprehensive knowledge base that can be used by employees to search for procedures and policies. Document and manage all your policies and procedures in one place. Provide an easy self-service capability for anyone to report issues or make requests, whether it be on your desktop or mobile device, and ensure you understand all your facilities assets across locations and manage assets from requests through procurement to disposal, ensuring you have full visibility of your estate. Ivanti Neurons for Facilities enables your organisation to gain visibility into work in progress, improve productivity with self-service, improve facilities outcomes through a single source of facilities information, and support your work environment in office or hybrid by having a safe, clean and secure environment for those returning to the office.